So we've arrived at the last day of September. Um, Say what you will about global warming, but it sure gives us a long, beautiful fall. I want you to look at these purple flowers. God, they're incredible. They come out in the fall all the time. There was some honeybees in them before. Maybe you can see them in the background. Yeah, there's some. They're buzzing. There's a honeybee. Yeah, well. There's a bird. The distant hum of lawn services. It's a beautiful day. Amazing. It's a little sad in a way, knowing this is the final episode of this season. Oh well. Nothing you can do about that, right? I mean, I could move to Florida, but what would that accomplish, right? Okay. I guess we'll have to make do with this.